Hey, I'm James, a certified EFL teacher, and in this video, we will be learning about 10 of the most common pronunciation mistakes that learners make due to silent letters. Words like hour and judge might seem easy, but many learners get them wrong.
The piano and Edith Knox every hour would stand on her hand.
In the same way that you would judge someone.
No H, no D. These are silent letters. So, what are these pronunciation errors? Well, let's take a look. So here are the 10 errors that we'll be covering in today's lesson. Now, in this first section here, these 4 occur at the beginning of the word, and these in the middle, and these at the end. We also have a legend here. So all of these that have green on it mean usually silent. What this means is the letter that is silent in each one of these combinations is usually silent, but just because you see a WR or an M and N in a word, it doesn't mean that it's necessarily silent. There's a greater chance if it is green and much less of a chance if it is yellow. So let's go ahead and get started. Don't say psychology, psychic. Say psychology, psychic.
General principle of social psychology. If you try to unite...
That's not psychic. I already know that. I have a...
Don't say knife, kneel, knock. Say knife, kneel, knock.
Like, I'm not the sharpest knife in the drawer, but I do know
the wall or down low for you to kneel down and pray. But let's drive up there and knock on the door, because surely they have.
Don't say warist, warek, warap. Say wrist, rec, rap.
Your backswing and turn your wrists over more when you contact the ball.
A plank from the ancient Greek wreck for dating. It broke.
Then ideally we're going to wrap it in plastic wrap and fridge it overnight, but if you...
Don't say honest, hair, hour. Say honest, air, hour.
like I've just got to be honest and acknowledge that. But here's the main thing.
It turns out that he is the heir to the Polish throne.
And you're traveling at 120 kilometers an hour, which is the speed limit.
Don't say judge, grudge, edge. Say judge, grudge, edge.
This is how you judge the distance of an oncoming car.
She actually was better at keeping a grudge than James.
It goes from this inside edge to this inside edge.
And don't say castole, listin, wistole. Say castle, listen, whistle.
The castle has undergone many transformations, additions.
Listen carefully to yourself.
Several other people tried to blow the whistle on LaPierre, but he...
Don't say climb, lamb, numb. Say climb, lamb, numb.
Trying to climb out of this crisis.
Melanie picks up another lamb, puts it on the post, bam.
Half a page of me back to me, and I'm going numb.
Don't say autumn, column, solemn. Say autumn, column, solemn.
And he said, it's autumn. I love autumn. And I said, tell me why.
All be found in this column. 4 was
considered it their solemn duty to sort the wheat from the chaff.
Don't say wistole, hustole, castole. In fact, we can take out the T and the E here. Whistle, hustle, castle.
25 on the whistle, and you can have lunch.
I think you out-hustle you.
It really looks like an old castle. I mean, to some of you it would...
Don't say walk, chalk, folk. Instead, say walk, Chalk folk.
And you literally walk until you see a bone sticking.
If you use bad chalk, often you have to press really hard for anyone to see.
I'm a Scandinavian folk artist, specializing.
Now, let's review all 10 of these mistakes with new words. All right, so now that we've got our 10 new words up on the board, let's go ahead and practice. Feel free to repeat them after I say them. Pseudonym. Pseudonym. Not. Not. Rapper. Rapper. Hour. Hour. Badge. Badge. Listen. Listen. Tomb. Tomb. Hymn. Hymn. Rustle. Rustle. Yoke. Yoke. Pseudonym. The author used a pseudonym to hide her identity. Knot. I tied the rope in a tight knot. Wrapper. He threw the candy wrapper in the trash. Hour. The train arrives in 1 hour. Badge. The police officer showed me his badge. Listen. Please listen carefully to the instructions. Tomb. The tomb was hidden deep in the pyramid. Hymn. We sang a hymn at the end of the service. Rustle. I heard a rustle in the bushes behind me. Yolk. I like my eggs with a runny yolk. Excellent. Now you have learned 10 of the most common pronunciation errors in English with silent letters. Don't forget to like and follow for more English content, and I'll see you folks in the next video.